A lot of times you hear it said that artists can only make themselves. Sometimes that's kind of hard to deal with. My name is Nick Laguirre. I'm a sculptor. I've been chosen to model this big guy next to me, Champ, for the University of Minnesota Duluth. Good boy, good boy. Trying to make something from a logo is a challenge because it's a two-dimensional representation and you have to kind of create a lot of the stuff that's not in the two-dimensional logo. The teeth are going to be imposing, the spikes on the collar, and yet I want them to be somewhat lovable, and so I'm going to have to balance that relationship out. Behave now. Stay, stay. It's a pretty good sized institution, and this is a pretty good sized bulldog. There's an aspect to it that's so much larger than life, and yet it's still within our human context. I think larger institutions have that quality to them. You know, they're kind of bigger than life in a lot of ways, and yet we still work within them. I really want this to become part of the campus life, and that it's an identifier for students. I got my MFA from the U of M. I owe a lot to studying at the university. I mean, really, it's such a great privilege to be able to do a project like this, knowing that it's the only time it's going to be done. It's really a great honor, so thank you.